Hello, welcome to my channel and let's roll.
Hello guys, I'm Ineba. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the meaning of redox reaction and what really occurs in redox reaction. Redox stands for reduction-oxidation. In some type of chemical reaction, electron tends to move from one species to the other, and this brings about change in oxidation state of the species. And looking at the scenario, you've seen that there is transfer of electron, and this type of reaction is called redox. So formally, redox can be defined as a type of chemical reaction in which there is transfer of electrons between the reaction species, and thus brings about change in oxidation state of the reacting species. Okay, now let's look at an example of redox reaction. The reaction between sodium and chlorine to form sodium chloride. This is the ionic equation for the reaction. Now let's look at the oxidation state of the species we have in the equation. Sodium in its raw state has an oxidation state of 0, and chlorine has an oxidation state of 0. But in the product that they form, which is sodium chloride, sodium is having the oxidation state of +1, and chlorine is having an oxidation state of -1. Now if you look at the scenario, you can see that the oxidation state of sodium has been increased from 0 to +1, and chlorine's oxidation state has been decreased from 0 to -1. What really occurred in here? Sodium loses electron to become positively charged, and chlorine gains electron to become negatively charged. Since we don't need negative in our equations, we rewrite the equation for sodium losing electron in this proper form. Alright, now let's look at a summary of redox reaction. The two main words that we need to take care of in here is oxidation and reduction. Out of the reacting species, one should undergo oxidation and the other should undergo reduction. When we say oxidation, it means loss of electron, and when we say reduction, it means gain of electron. Also, any species which undergoes oxidation has its oxidation state being increased. Any species which undergoes reduction has its oxidation state being decreased. So from the example, sodium has been oxidized to sodium plus, and chlorine has been reduced to chlorine minus. And in redox reaction, when you undergo oxidation, it will term you as reducing agent, and when you undergo reduction, it will term you as oxidizing agent. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Watch out for my next video, in which I'm going to show you how to balance a redox reaction, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.